Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called Lakme. Okay, so it is their Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So this is how the foundation looks like. This is how it comes. Okay, now people who are following my skin tone, then my shade is W240 Warm Beige. Okay, now the product quantity is 25 ml and comes in 16 shades, which is the best thing. Okay, and the MRP of this product is 475 rupees. I think currently there is some offers going on Nykaa and on Purple as well. So I shall put up the offer prices on the left side because I don't know, and I will be providing the link in the description box so you can go and check it out. Let me quickly swatch it for you. So comes with a spatula, which is a good thing, but I was expecting a pump, but it's okay. So this is the shade, guys. Okay, now to apply this foundation you can use your fingers or a beauty blender or a kabuki brush. Okay, so let me blend it out for you. Can you see how beautifully this blends? Okay, so I have given the demo of using a kabuki brush and a beauty blender. So let's get into the video, and then later on I shall tell you the total history about this foundation, whether I like it or not, and whether you have to invest on this or not. Okay, so I have already prepped my face. I have done the CTM process, and directly I'll be applying the foundation because there is no requirement of applying a primer. On the left side I'll be using a kabuki brush, and on the right side I'll be using the beauty blender. So as you can see how beautifully this blends in a beauty blender. Blending is the key, guys. You have to blend it very well to get that flawless look. So here I am using the kabuki brush. Now this brush is from PAC Cosmetics. So gives the same effect if you are using a kabuki brush or a beauty blender. So here is the final look. Okay, so you just saw the demo how beautifully this blends with a brush and as well as a beauty blender. Now let me talk about the packaging. This comes in a glass bottle like this. Okay, and it has a very nice pink tinted cap. Comes with a spatula, as I already showed you while giving the swatch. Comes with a spatula. Okay, and it is way too affordable, and this foundation stays for around 8 to 9 hours. And in fact today's makeup is done by this foundation, so you can just see how beautiful it looks. Gives you a proper finish. Now it says that primer plus matte perfect cover foundation, so you don't need a primer. You can directly apply this after your moisturizer, after your CTM. You can directly apply this foundation. Okay, the packaging is really good. Okay, so this product is made in India, and this foundation doesn't oxidize, guys. Now oxidize in the sense, there are a lot of foundation, like when you are applying the foundation after 1 hour or 2 hours, it tries to or you can tell it as it changes its shade or something like that. That is called oxidization. So this foundation doesn't oxidize at all. It's going to be the same. As I told you, the staying power is really good, and it gives a very natural and flawless finish. As you can see today, today's look I have used same thing, and it looks so beautiful. Okay, now it has the perfect cover and long wear formula. It is beautiful. Okay, like at this price you getting a foundation like this is really good. So if you are looking for a very affordable foundation, especially on offers, you can grab it. It is anyway priced at 475 rupees and comes with 2 years of shelf life. Okay, and now the best part about this foundation, it comes in undertones like cool undertone, warm undertone and neutral undertone. Okay, and all the shades suits all Indian skin types. Okay, skin type, skin tone, everything. Okay guys, so currently this is one of my favorite foundation at a affordable range. So if you are looking for a affordable foundation, you can give this a try. Yes, so that is it for today. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I know a lot of you are just watching my videos and not subscribing to my channel. So please do it. कर दो यार, कितना ही टाइम लगता है एक सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. So do it. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.